Have you ever been in class and don't know how to keep your notes organized? Let me introduce you to Cornell Notes. Cornell Notes are a system for taking, organizing, and reviewing notes. It is one of the best techniques to better your learning and recite information effectively. You may wonder, what is a Cornell Notes format? Cornell Notes consist with a name, class, date section, a topic or objective section, a question, main idea section, a notes section, and a summary section. Let us go through each section of the Cornell Notes. Here is the topic/objective section. This is where you would state the lesson or theme of the notes. To the right is the name, class, and date section. This can help as a reference for test study guides and can give you a recollection of what class unit you were on based on the time period. Here is the EQ or the essential question section. This question should be answered by your notes and should provide more guidance towards what your notes should be about. The questions or main ideas section is answered in the notes section. This helps divide the different concepts within a lesson. The notes section contains vocabulary, lesson definitions, or historical events. It may include other concepts as well. Here is the summary section. It should be about 1 to 3 sentences long, detailing the most important information. This section should also answer the EQ question. What are the benefits of using Cornell Notes? Cornell Notes can make a great reference for tests, quizzes, assessments, a good study guide, and can create an organized notebook. Tips for writing notes? When taking notes, don't write everything down. Make sure that you write the most important facts. Use keywords or abbreviations to shorten your statements, and most importantly, review your notes. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned more about note-taking, Cornell Notes, and how to better your note-taking habits.